Okay, hello everybody, I'm Sagie and welcome to the second part of the course. If you didn't watch the first part of the course, please go and watch it and I'll be waiting for you. Now let's start. So welcome to the course building the level environment. We are gonna set up our SIEM playground and let's begin. Okay, so we're going to do a realistic SOC environment. We're gonna virtualize and isolated networks. Maybe we do isolated networks, I don't know about it yet, but we're gonna have a Windows, Linux, MISP and SIEM and for a self-dating simulation. So we're gonna build Elastic and Wazuh, and we're gonna have a Windows server that we're gonna to start as an Active Directory, maybe one Windows 10 and Ubuntu client, and maybe we'll use this Windows 11 for maybe some logs, and we're gonna install MISP, and I have pre-installed Kali Linux, so we can use it as to test our attacks and see if our attacks will going to be registered in the SIEM if we define the rules right. Okay, so for virtualization we're going to use VirtualBox, and this is the recommendation for the RAM and the CPUs. You can take your time and read it, and I will also leave it in the description. And okay, so we maybe created isolated networks with no internet, and optional NAT, and we're gonna have of course static IP for all the SIEMs, so we can open the UI and we can see what happens, and we enable host name resolution for local DNS, and we're going to do that through the Active Directory. Okay, and this is recommended the security for you if you want to go through to have internal zone for the Windows and the hosts. If you have security zone for the MISP and the SIEM and the MISP. This is recommended installation. And if you want, you have a attacker zone, so some kind of a DMZ outside of the networks, and you can try to attack it. And optional manager network, but we're going to keep it simple. This is how segmentation should work in real environment. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna to deploy Ubuntu for the SIEMs, and then I'm going to show you how I deploy Active Directory and clients, and we configure IP for all of those, and we will test the environment to see if we can RDP from the Active Directory to computers and so forth, and we'll snapshot everything so we can destroy it and start it again from scratch. So yeah, we are in the test environment now. So let's start with installing Elastic. So we're gonna sudo to root. Okay, and first of all, we're going to update the environment. So this is my command for the update. Okay, the update is done. Now we are installing the Elastic. The link will be in the description to how to build Elastic. Elastic will build with okay, that is the first one. Let's go to the second one. So here's the Elastic is working, as you can see. All the Elastic stock is now, and we got on the same server, we got the MISP running. You can check out my video to how install the MISP. We got a large video on it. So, and we got the video on how to install Elastic, so you can go and watch it if you want to know how to install Elastic. So we got those videos here, and the next one is Wazuh. So I'll see you in the next one, and we're going to install Wazuh. So if we want to install Wazuh, we need to go to this web page, and you can see here the command to install Wazuh. It's very simple to install Wazuh. Unfortunately, I didn't film the installation because of technical error or stupidity error, if you want to call it. And the Wazuh is installed. So it's very simple. You just copy this, and this will take like a couple of minutes, and you will be installing Wazuh. And so Wazuh is installed, and as we can see, let's dive in. Okay, we copy that, paste it, and this very easy password. Of course I want to save it, and there is. Wazuh is up and running. Incredible. Okay, so the lab is ready. Now we got the sandbox ready with the Wazuh, and we got Elastic up and running, and we got MISP up and running. So the next step will be to install the Windows and the environment, and maybe to get a little bit of logs. So I hope to see you in the next one. So we got the environment and our SIEM up and running. So yeah, I'll see you in the next time. If you like what I do, please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next part of the installation in our environment. See you guys. Bye.